to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video is a tutorial on how to repair the V31 air unit and ground unit. Let's start with the air unit. Press and hold the set button, then power it on. When the RXD and TXD indicators light up, release the set button. Next, press and hold the set button again until all three indicators, S1, S2 and S3 light up, then release the button. The module will now return to factory mode, with a default baud rate of 115,200. Repeat the same process for the ground unit. After waiting for a few dozen seconds, the two units will automatically pair with each other. That concludes our tutorial on how to repair the V31 air unit and ground unit. Thank you for watching and for your support. Don't forget to subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. We'll continue to bring you more drone equipment reviews, tutorials and practical guides. See you in the next video.